the ultimate sweet potato casserole. It's creamy, crunchy, sweet, and secretly packed with health-boosting ingredients. This dish is guaranteed to be the star of the table. You're about to unlock the secret to making the best sweet potato casserole ever. It's creamy, crunchy, perfectly sweet, and there's a surprise ingredient that'll have everyone asking for your recipe. And it's healthier too. Stay until the end for a bonus tip that'll take this dish to legendary status. This isn't your average sweet potato casserole. It's a modern twist that's just as comforting, but even more delicious. And don't worry, I'll guide you step by step so you can totally nail this dish. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the star of our show, sweet potatoes. These babies aren't just delicious, they're packed with beta carotene, which boosts your immune system and gives your skin that natural glow. Because of the carotenoids in sweet potatoes, they have strong antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, cardiovascular, and liver protection properties. So they are a must for the holidays. We'll need 4 medium sweet potatoes drained, a half a cup of melted butter, 1/3 cup almond or soy milk, 3/4 cups of organic cane sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a half a teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. First, we will cut up the potatoes and boil until they're tender with a fork. Next, you will mash it up until they're silky smooth. You can go old school with a potato masher or use an electric mixer for ultimate creaminess. No lumps allowed. Now, for the flavor explosion, we're going to add melted butter, almond milk, organic cane sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Oh, and here's the twist, silken tofu. We are using 1/4 cup for each egg. We will be using a half a cup for this recipe, which is equivalent to 2 eggs. Trust me, it makes the casserole extra creamy while sneaking in some plant-based protein. Most people don't know that tofu provides all 9 essential amino acids for your body's needs. As a low-calorie, high-protein food, tofu can help you manage your weight. Who doesn't need a little help with that this holiday season? Once your mixture is smooth and heavenly, spread it into a shallow baking dish. All right, let's talk about the topping, because this is where the magic happens. Ingredients for the topping: 5 tablespoons of melted butter, 2/3 cup organic brown sugar, 2/3 cup flour, 1 cup pecan pieces. Make it crumbly. In a small bowl, mix the melted butter, brown sugar, flour, and pecans. Use your fingers to create a crumbly texture topping. This is the crunchy crown jewel of the casserole, so don't hold back. Most people don't know that the antioxidants in pecans fight oxidative stress, which is linked to age-related cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. So don't feel guilty about eating this topping. Generously sprinkle the topping over the sweet potato mixture. And if you're feeling fancy, arrange a few extra pecan halves on top for a little pizzazz. Presentation matters even for casseroles. Slide it into a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for about 25 to 35 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the edges are bubbling and the topping is golden brown. Your kitchen is about to smell like happiness. If you're allergic to nuts, use the mini marshmallows as a topping instead. Remember, you have tofu providing all 9 essential amino acids for your body's needs. Sweet potatoes supporting heart and liver health while offering anti-cancer properties. And finally, pecans providing antioxidants which combat oxidative stress, a factor in age-related cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. And there you have it. the ultimate sweet potato casserole. It's creamy, crunchy, sweet, and secretly packed with health-boosting ingredients. Whether it's Thanksgiving, Christmas, or just a random Tuesday, this dish is guaranteed to be the star of the table. If you love this recipe, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Do you prefer marshmallows or pecans on your casserole? I'm Team Pecans, and I'll see you in the next video. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success.